Hey everyone, welcome to Marshwood.
It's Tom and Mike. Let's go take a tour of the new dining area.
Okay, we're standing in the future home of the Palmer Steakhouse, our clubhouse dining's finest option. With seats initially around 90, with 24 more out on the terrace, we think this is going to be the premier clubhouse dining experience.
One of the key design features we have here is we listen to members' concerns about noise levels in the dining room. And we employed the services of a acoustical engineering firm out of Atlanta. And one of the things they specified was putting in these ceiling panels that are in the main dining room. And these panels, if you look up close, are perforated. They look like beadboard, but they do a great job. And they cut down, especially when we have the carpeting on the floor, will cut down the reverberation noise of sound well below what would be considered an acceptable limit. And as you can see, it looks great in the finishing touches up here.
We'd like to also congratulate our second trivia contest winner, Bruce Custis. I think you remember the question was, how many gallons of water will the new pool hold? The answer was 213,310. Bruce had an amazingly accurate answer of 210,000. Did it Price of Right style too, without going over. For his correct answer, he was able to take a tour of Marshwood the other day and a $100 gift card from the club.
So for our next question, trivia question number 3 is, how many electrical outlets are there in this building? Now, there are a few engineering types that have already asked me, and we gotta have some clarification. An outlet is considered this, not a socket. There can be multiple sockets within the outlet, but the number of electrical outlets. And the contest goes until November 26th at 5 o'clock. And for that, it's the same thing. You get the $100 gift card and this new feature, which Bruce loved, which is an actual tour of the job site.
And you get to wear one of these.
These are really fancy things.
Is that Ralph Lauren?
I think it's Armani, actually. So please get your entries in, and we look forward to talking to you in the future.